Hi everyone, I'm Sil and this is Slow Easy English. Two words that native speakers often confuse and use incorrectly are averse and adverse. Both words kind of mean against, but not exactly. Let's have a closer look at what these words really mean exactly and how to use them. The word adverse is an adjective that kind of means bad or negative or against. And it's very, very often used with words like effects or reactions or results. So a doctor might say, this vaccine has been proven to be very safe with very few adverse effects. Or someone might say, wow, I never imagined that asking people to wear masks for everyone's safety would result in such adverse reactions. Now, the word averse is also an adjective, but really it describes how someone feels about something, that someone feels opposed to something. So the word averse would be used with people, or at least living beings that are capable of feeling. Now, there are two common ways to use the word averse. You can say that someone is averse to something, or you can say that someone is blank averse. So for example, I might say, John doesn't gamble. He is averse to taking risks with his money. But instead of saying he's averse to taking risks, I could also say he is risk averse. If you propose to someone for marriage, she might answer with, well, I'm not averse to getting married. I'm just averse to getting married to you. And that's the difference between these two words. I hope this video helped you understand that difference a bit better and will help you use them correctly in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone, thanks for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please help me grow my channel by sharing it with your friends on Facebook or other social media. Thanks. Bye.